Hey folks, just hold on one second. We're going to talk about something, and it's about Zoom, so you might as well learn about it. Zoom starts automatically on record. I don't even hear it starting. Some people do. Anyway, I stop things to record them again because then it keeps things segmented and it means less production, which means it gets done quicker, and I am all about speed. So I'm with Jacee. Jacee, it's okay if I say your name right?
Definitely.
Okay, cool. You were just asking me something. Did that answer your question?
Yeah, I think so.
All right. So Jacee had a brilliant idea. I'd love to say I came up with it myself, but I didn't. And that is, I have the Motivated Seller Worksheet. And this is probably going to be an update of the Motivated Seller Worksheet. We're going to see. I'm a huge fan of ChatGPT. And when I made the Motivated Seller Worksheet tutorial back 10 years ago, it was 10 years ago. So I use ChatGPT all the time. So right now, Jacee and I are going to go on a little adventure with everybody. And we're going to see if we can put listings in ChatGPT. How are we going to do this, Jacee? Should I put the listing in and the Motivated Seller Worksheet and say combine these tools?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I'll
Yeah.
do. So you may have to, there may be some delays while I share my screen and I try to do this, but this is the Motivated Seller Worksheet is incredibly valuable. So I'll either have it around here as a link, or I'll have something else that everybody can use. But for now, what we're going to do is open it up. So, oh, I did a thing on assignments yesterday. You guys, can't wait to show you. All right, Jacee, do you have a handy way I can find that Motivated Seller Worksheet?
I've been using your,
Okay,
sorry. Yeah, I've been using the collab.
yeah,
Yeah, that's how I'm
you've
going to
been
be.
using it through Colab. Okay, so Colab is a tool that is used for ORIG members or coaching clients or a combination of both. Can you see the Motivated Seller Worksheet, Jacee?
Yep.
Okay, cool. So it's here. If you haven't already seen it, you can auto-populate everything in here. Oh, yeah, okay, this was for a tutorial. If you haven't seen it, there's a link around here for the Motivated Seller Worksheet tutorial, and you can download this Microsoft Word document and populate everything. This is a great tool to use to make sure that you have all the information that you need. Now, Jacee's great idea, so smart, is to put this Motivated Seller Worksheet in ChatGPT and then put the link of a listing in ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT basically to answer all the questions in the Motivated Seller Worksheet. Is that about right?
Yep.
Okay, so this is what we're going to try to do. I may pause from time to time. Appreciate it. All right, so Jacee and I figured some things out. What we did is we took the Motivated Seller Worksheet, we put it in ChatGPT. That's all you do. And then look how smart ChatGPT is. How can I assist you with the document? So this is the prompt I said. Please take the listing in the document, insert all relevant data from the listing to the document. And everybody, we don't know what's going to happen. So hold on to your hats. And I press the button. Please provide key details from the realtor, like property description, features, price. What? Please provide key details from the realtor listing for 2020. Okay. All right. Fair enough. You won't do that for me? I bet if I paid for it, you would. But let's see what we can get done for free. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the MLS listing and I'm going to do this.
Copy. Yes, I was going to say,
I'm just going to,
because it probably doesn't like the link.
it probably doesn't like the link, but I bet, like I said, like we said, I bet. I bet there's a way, or there will be soon because things change so drastically. I copied all the data. Here is what I have for you. I talked to it. Do your best.
Wow.
uh, let's see. Here's the updated Motivated Seller Worksheet. Oh my goodness. Look at that, you guys.
Did it work?
It's doing it. Can you see it? You can't see my screen?
I can, but at the beginning it had blank, like it said fill in like address. So I didn't know, but then I can see the details now.
So, does it answer all the questions that the Motivated Seller Worksheet asks?
Like 80%.
Ooh, so I'm gonna ask. Look at all that. It keeps going, folks. Now, what's the difference between this and you filling it out yourself? Yeah, ChatGPT just does it for you. The reason why I created the Motivated Seller Worksheet is so that you get used to looking for everything that you need in order to see what kind of property this is. Okay. And then you need to go back to the listing and you need to look at the pictures. Okay. So that'll fill in some blanks. All right. Now, I totally encourage you to do this. So that's what you do. I'll insert the I'll make sure that the Motivated Seller Worksheet link is around here. And then you just try this and use the prompts that I used. And it'll do it for you. And it probably will be faster. What I like about being a slow process is every slow process as you do it becomes a faster process. And then before you know it, you've got like memory. Does that make sense, Jacee?
Yeah.
So you know what to look for, you know what to look out for, and you know what is missing. So I am just gonna, I'm
You should
just
ask
going,
it to insert the pictures too, but then you'd have to paste it in,
to
right?
please insert the pictures from the link. I'm asking it. Is it thinking?
I think you're typing it, sorry, in your worksheet instead of ChatGPT. You need to
Okay.
type it on the message, right?
Oh, I need it over here, so I'll just, oops.
Yeah,
Thanks.
that's good. It's learning for people like me who don't.
Yeah,
know.
so I put it over here, message ChatGPT, paste. Okay, so I put it over here. Please summarize what information is missing from the listing. The reason why you want to ask that is because now just a second. Key details. Okay, so it's all done over here. Currently I can't access URLs from the links. If I download the images from there's no point in me doing that. Just look at them. That's in the tutorial. If you're wondering why I'm asking you to do that, I'll just tell you right now why I'm asking you to do that. There's all this information. That's fantastic. Anything that's missing, you can get a lot of things that may be missing, you can gather from the photographs. Like you can see this gorgeous new fence and it's got some storage. And I don't know if that's in the listing or not, but you can kind of go back and forth from the pictures if there is anything missing. Okay. So that's why I like you to look at the pictures. And it would not go into the link. All right. So now here it is. What did I ask? Summarize what information is missing from the listing. So it gives me all of the information that is missing. Why is that important? Right now, it is December of 2024. We're talking about Calgary, Alberta. And unless you're living under a rock, Calgary and Edmonton are super hot. That means all of the realtors are running around like chickens with their head cut off, making offers. Everything's going up above lists. It's a frantic bloodbath. It's called a buyer's market, a seller's market. And it's great if you're selling. It's a little frustrating if you're trying to buy. So if you are going to reach out to a realtor for missing information, you need to have those questions ready. And this will come in so handy because what ChatGPT just did for me is it summarized everything that's missing. Now, the realtor's not going to give you the owner's information, but you can find that out by doing a title search, which is in another video. Okay. And you know, they're probably not going to tell you the family situation of the owner type of thing. This is useful, especially for private sellers, okay? But it doesn't say the electrical services. I'm going to assume it's been upgraded since so much work has been done, but you absolutely have to ask. Anyway, that's a specific condition of the kitchen cabinets. Well, that's why you want to look at the pictures, all right? But all of these details have been left out. And again, a realtor's not going to give you information on current mortgage details unless you have a seller that's willing to keep the financing in place and do an agreement for sale. In all likelihood, right now in Alberta and Edmonton, again, because it's a seller's market, I'm doubtful that you're able to. Well, it's trickier if you're going to be doing something that's like an agreement for sale or something creative, but you may ask if you can assume the mortgage, and that's the details that you need if you can assume the mortgage. These days in Alberta or anywhere, you can't assume financing without qualifying for the financing. So just keep that in mind. So yeah, it does summarize some of the insights. Okay. Yeah, super, super useful. Go ahead and use it. It will make your time, it'll make it more efficient. And Jacee, thank you for doing this. I'm going to add this to the Motivated Seller training so that it's there for folks. And yeah, this is awesome. Reach out to me if you need any other help, folks. Talk to you. Bye.